Right guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, it's been a while since I made a video. It's getting on for about 6 or 7 months. Been very busy, but guess what guys and girls, I bought another car, and it's a car that I've really missed. I used to have one before. There's the clue. Well, without further ado, I'm going to show you exactly what it is. There you go guys and girls. It's a Range Rover 4.2 supercharged. Now, I only paid £2,800 on Marketplace for this. Obviously I put my private place on it. I've really missed this car. I bought it with a coolant leak, so this is the first test drive since I've done the new radiator, new water pump, belts, tensioners. I've just replaced everything. It's cost me about 500 quid in parts. But check it out guys and girls, this is the best Range Rover. I mean, I've had the new one, obviously you know that one got nicked. I'll never buy a keyless entry car again, so this is, you need a key. And look at the condition, I buffed it up, it's come up quite well. The Achilles heel on these cars is these here, the back wheel, and they're not too bad. That's why I bought it. I bought it for the bodywork. Now you see this, they all go here. Now I'll put a little bit of protection on it just for now, but I'm going to get all this sorted out because the car is worth it. This is a keeper. I love the way these cars drive. Yeah, I'll show you in that. It's got the TV screens in the back. It's not too bad. It's headlining, sagging a little bit, but it's not too bad. For £2,800. Look at it. Fantastic car, and it drives so nice. Oh, I've got a trim ordered for this. These always break. eBay special. Seats are all right. Yeah, it has a full MOT. Let me show you inside. Under the bonnet. Look at that, how clean it is. Let's see what my level's like. Absolutely on the money, because obviously that was dropping. I've just driven about 50 miles. So I thought, I'll tell you what, I'm going to do a video on this car. That's the oil. I've changed the oil in it as well. Perfect. So the car's done 161,000 miles, which, let's face it, that's now, the other one's done 235,000, what I used to have. Start it up so you can have a listen. So that's perfect. But listen to that. No knocking on the supercharger. Absolutely. So if you guys are looking for a Range Rover, these are the things to look out for. All round here. This is not too bad, it's just starting to go here. So yeah, I bought this for the channel. The tailgates usually goes well. Yes, I know my spacing, I had to put a badge on. I was just lining it up, then all of a sudden it stuck. I went, oh no! So it's not too bad. It's there now. So yeah, there's the back. too bad in there as well. I mean, what can you get for 2,800 quid now? So altogether I've spent on the car about 3.5 grand. And look at it, it's even got a tow bar on. So this will be my backup vehicle. The tyres, they're okay. They've got good tread on them, but they're only shit tyres. Nitro something made in China. So once I wear these tyres off, I'll get some really good wheels and tyres. Another reason why I bought this car, it drives so nice. Now, people who've never owned a Range Rover, especially the L322, I've had the newer one, it's not as good as the L322. I don't care what anybody says. The L405, if you're thinking about getting one of them, don't do it. One, it's keyless entry. Two, they're full of problems. This one is the one to have. As you know, Jeremy Clarkson's a big fan of this, but his is a 3.6 diesel. Not my cup of tea. You want the 4.2 bulletproof Jaguar engine. It's not full of the timing chain problems like the 5-litre one is. This is the one to have. Change the oil every 5,000 miles and you won't have a problem with this car. Change the gearbox oil every 2 years or 10,000 miles. That's what I'm going to do with this next. I'll show you exactly how to do the job. It's pretty easy to do. Get yourself a little computer, because you have to do it between, I think it's 30 and 40 degrees while you're pumping the oil in. But I'll show you all how to do it. Honestly guys, these cars are fantastic, and these are a future classic. So this is going to be the new car for the channel. I'm going to just drive it, and whatever goes wrong with it, if anything goes wrong with it, I'll show you how to do things on this car. As you guys know, I'm pretty good with the tools. These are pretty easy to work on. Listen to it. How quiet is that? The car is actually running. Yes, I've got my 666 plate back. So anyway, on that note, seeds are puppet on.